Gobi Manchurian recipe. In a bowl, mix half cup of all-purpose flour, maida, 2 to 3 teaspoons of corn flour, ginger paste, salt, water, and mix it chili powder, a pinch of red food color, optional, and a little pepper powder. Gradually add water to form a smooth batter. Coat the cauliflower florets evenly in the batter. Deep fry the coated cauliflower florets until they turn golden and crispy. Set aside. In a separate bowl, mix ketchup, hot sauce, and soy sauce. Heat a pan and sauté chopped onions and garlic for about 3 minutes. Add salt, pepper, chili powder, the prepared sauce mixture, and a small cornflour slurry, cornflour mixed with water. Cook for 3 minutes until the sauce thickens. Add the fried cauliflower to the sauce and mix well to coat evenly. Serve hot and enjoy.